Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is November 1st, 2022. Today we're going to play a noun game. 10 questions. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Let's begin. Number 1. For this one, you have to unscramble the letters. This is a piece of land that is surrounded by water. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Can you pronounce it? Island. The S is silent. There are 3 islands in the bay. Number 2, you have to unscramble again. Bob is very heavy. He wants to lose weight. He is on a diet. He is on a diet because he wants to lose weight. This means he's eating less food than usual. Number 3, there is a flying in the sky. Helicopter. There's a helicopter flying in the sky. Do you like this song? Equals. Do you like this? And the first missing letter is a U. Tune. Do you like this tune? Jennifer has a bag of photographs. This is similar to a group. She keeps the photographs because she likes them. Collection. Jennifer has a big collection of photographs. Do you know the correct of this word? It means, do you know how to speak it, how to handle it grammatically? Usage. Do you know the correct usage of this word? Bob is sick. He wants to get some. He might have to go to a doctor. Medication. He wants to get some medication. There are many in the water. This is, for example, if you throw a stone in the water, it will splash, and then the little tiny waves that move out in a circle are called, and both of the missing letters are the same letter. Ripples. There are many ripples in the water. Also, please check your dictionary for ripple effect. What happened? Please, give us an. This means tell us the details slowly and clearly so that we can understand. explanation. Please, give us an explanation. The bus is packed. The passengers are like... Packed means very crowded. There are many people on the bus. And this word is actually a food. It's a fish, but we use it as a metaphor. Sardines. Because when sardines are in the can, they're very close together. So we use this as a metaphor. In today's game, word number 2, diet, is also a verb in our program. And number 4, tune, is also a verb in our program. Game over! How did you do? 10 out of 10? That's fantastic. Tell me about yourself. What's your name? What city do you live in? Do you go to school or work, or do you stay home? What do you do? What time are you going to wake up tomorrow morning? Very nice. You're doing very well. I'll see you next time, everybody. My name is Vinny. Bye-bye.